Welcome to this edition of Trash Compactor. In this video I'll be showing you how to do the pop and boil method. Pop and boil is a really easy way of swapping heads around on figures. It's quite simple, but a lot of people do mess up and end up damaging or breaking the figures. Here I've got two sets of figures. I've got a Ben and a Farm Boy Luke, which are both the original Peg Systems heads. And then we have Luke and Squid Face, Squid Head, which are both the pin system. So the pin goes into the head with the peg, the head goes into the body. What you need to do is get your figures, pop them in some extremely hot boiling water straight out of the kettle, drop them in and leave them for 5 minutes. These ones don't need as long, but I always leave them in for 5 minutes just to be on the safe side so you don't snap the pins off. So we'll pop them in and we'll give them both 5 minutes before coming back to them. As they're going to be very hot, grab yourself a tea towel, take one figure out, leave the other one in there. Very soft, very delicate. And now with the head you're going to find it gets really stretchy. Now you could just grab the tea towel and pull, and if you do there's quite a high chance that you're going to snap the neck. So what you need to do is stretch the plastic. Now I'm using wide pliers here, you could use thinner ones. Literally push the head up as far as you can get it. There we are, let's go in. Going to keep going, gently force the pin backwards, and you see it pops back out. We are intact. So I'll do the same with Luke. Very soft and pliable, very hot. So the pliers out. There we are. And gently push the head back, and there we go, gently pop straight out. It's that easy. Now with the other heads which are on pins, this is easier. It's just a case of grab them with the tea towel, pop them out and gently squeeze, and you'll be able to pop the head off the pin with ease. There we go. Do the same with Squid Head. Very hot. Try and do this so you can see it. Literally just pop your fingers under and he pops off. So I'll add a list on this video which is showing which figure is which, or do a link to it to a Google Drive doc. You can find the info out on the internet really easily. And then that's how you get the heads off. Getting them in is another video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please subscribe.
What a piece of junk!